In this screencast is going to cover the notes page that I created here in the Evernote app that I downloaded onto my laptop to kind of cover some different bases for this new resource that I've come across. So, kind of walking through the notes page that I've created here, I have a couple different notes pages as seen on the left-hand side of my screen, along with a website that I have pinned and we'll be able to kind of access here later on in the video. So, to kind of walk you through in general what the pages are here, I have some general diet comparisons that I'm going to be doing here that pertain to my theme, which is nutrition. So I did some comparisons and some general fact-based evidence revolving around the keto, paleo, and lean bulking diets, three of the diets that I have been on in the past. And below down here, I have a resource which will take you to the keto calculator that I won't go into this video, but it will essentially enable you to calculate the number of calories and the various breakdowns of your macronutrients within the keto diet that are it's really beneficial in helping just making sure you're sticking to your allotments when it comes to calories and grams of fats, carbs, and proteins. My second note page that I have here is my Instagram page ideas. I started an Instagram page for my fitness to kind of come along with this class that I'm doing right now to talk about nutrition in a general sense. So I have some different ideas of things I want to cover, which is from meals, workout supplements, progress, etc. And then my third list is a to-do list for this evening, which I'm working my way through currently as we speak. The website that I tagged was an intermittent fasting and keto, another diet that I've kind of experimented with recently, which is intermittent fasting. It's this concept of not eating at certain points throughout the day. So as you've seen, I've highlighted different aspects of the article that I thought were important, just talking about grams here of carbs in it. And then I added my own little annotation here just to note some different stuff that I think is important to refer back to it. In this thing, I talk about the calculator that I referenced earlier. So that is all. Thank you.